What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins increase to bear. Everybody, Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. God, we just call you into this lesson. Pray for the student wherever they are in the world. Thank you for your love and your mercy. You being so close to us. Your name, amen. All right. What a friend we have in Jesus, key of F. If you're using the cheat sheets, turn to page 4, key of F. You can get those down below in the description. Just shows you some chord stuff. Doesn't have songs in it, but just some sweet tricks for playing the piano. Chords and lyrics are below the video. So, what a friends we have in Jesus. We're going to start off with an F chord here, F, A, C. And like I said, you can see all these in the cheat sheets. Like I do in every video, here's a normal F chord, F, A, C, but we're just putting, boom, F on the top to invert it, and it's going to keep all of our chords close together. So we'll be able to play these notes here by holding out F's in the bass. And you'll be able to start singing the first line. What a friend we have in. Then we'll go to a B flat chord. Right here, B flat, D, F, B flat and F in the bass. And what you'll want to do is learn these as we go. Pause the video, get to where your hands can move in between each one of these chords flawlessly, and then you can continue on. So Jesus. So if you're not playing it exactly in time with me yet, that's okay. You're just watching, you're learning what the notes are. Back to an F. All our sins and griefs to bear. To a C chord, C, E, G is our C chord. C's in the bass. Bear. Now back to the F chord. What a privilege to carry. B flat. Now, we have an F/C. All that means is we're going to play our F chord here, but in the bass, playing a C. So anything after the slash is only talking to the bass player. Not that I recommend talking to your bass player. They're weird people. All right. So everything to God. Right on the word God, we're going to move to the regular C chord. God in prayer. Back to our F. 3, 4. We'll play and sing through this here at the end. Now to the next line, C chord. Oh, what peace we often. So right on often, we're going to add in this B flat. What it's going to create is this C7 chord. You need these notes, C, E, G, B flat. We're just playing it in a different order, C, E, G, B flat. All right, so we just add that in when we get to the 7. Often, then to our F chord. Forfeit, B flat. Oh, what need. Now we have an F/A chord. So same thing, F here, just A in the bass. Needless pain we. Then to a C chord. Back to F. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Sweet. Cool. So very, very simple chord progression. You should be able to iron these out and get your hands, like I said, you got to get your hands used to playing those. So let's play and sing it once you have it down. So you might want to pause it, make sure you got all these chords, you're moving in between them, and then we'll play and sing it together. That'll be your test to see if you know it or not. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. What a friend we have in Jesus. have your hands nice, curved like this, where you're playing through everything. Don't be playing like this, please. Make sure they're curved on the piano. Sweet. And then all the other verses move the same way, so you can copy and paste those lyrics from below the video and be able to make this song happen. Quick lesson today. God bless y'all. Wade McNutt here, Piano Meditation. I hope you're able to learn. If you're ready to take it to the next level, I have my site, member site. It's pianochops.com. Simple little thing here. God bless y'all. Hope you learned something today and able to use this in worship. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.